welcome to another video on the channel, Passive Income for You. It's Jefrey Mihedji, and today what we're going to be talking about is viral traffic boost, and I'm going to go through how everything is set up once you've made the decision to actually purchase this plugin and install it on your website. Now, if you don't know, what this plugin will do for you is basically help grow your list, make more sales, and allow you to share your content across social media, specifically Facebook, all with one simple button. So great product in my opinion. If you've been looking to build a list and grow your business, this will do it for you. And again, it'll do it with no opt-in required ever. So this just eliminates one more step to make things a lot easier for your audience to go ahead and join your list and for you to continue to stay in touch and promote your products and your services. You guys can go ahead and click on this video. This is just the sales page. Whenever you land on it, there's lots of information about the product, and you can go ahead and get instant access. If you've already gotten a chance to read the article that I wrote about viral traffic boost, then you already know how it works and who might be able to benefit from it. So just go ahead and hit this if that's you. If not, there's a lot more information on this page that you can use to figure out if this product is something that would work for your business or not. But I think every business, again, needs customers, and if you're looking for a way to get new customers, then this would be a great way for you to do that, again, with no opt-in required. What I wanted to show you guys is at the bottom, but why don't I stop here first? If you guys are familiar with some of these autoresponders, you can definitely see how you can integrate this plugin with your autoresponder so that you can continue to stay in touch, like I said, with the subscribers that you are able to get using a simple plugin. Okay, now you can see there's two memberships, a basic membership, a pro membership, $12 a month versus $17 a month. And what's the difference? Now on the basic membership, you're only getting a single site license key. On the pro, you're getting 3 sites license keys. So you can get 3 keys, 3 different sites. You can have this plugin to be able to collect emails for you. You also have 10 done for you campaigns that are ready to go. You don't have to worry about coming up with your own lead magnets or offers. Everything's set up and ready for you to go. And you're going to get pro support with the pro membership as well. So that's another differentiating factor between the two. Pros, again, $12. Pro $17, basic is $12, depending on what your budget allows. You guys know best. Figure out which package works best for you and go ahead and make your purchase. And like I said, there's lots of information on this page. Feel free to watch this video here at the top. Go ahead and learn more about the product. Check out the review. Once you've made your purchase, you're going to get sent to a page like this that says, "You rock, thanks for your purchase." And you should check your email so that way you can get all the necessary information to allow you to log into the members area and access your purchase. So I've already got that. So I'm going to log in here and you guys can see. Boom, this is the members area. Once you're in here, you'll be able to access, the downloads, the license, the instructions, bonus library done for you, templates if you purchase the pro membership, able to access support and log out. So what we're going to do is just jump over to the instructions because this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Integration shortcuts. Now, Melinda and I forget his name, but they put together this this program, and they've got everything dialed in for you guys. As far as the documents that you're going to need to go ahead and install this product, you can see that right here, the install and license. You can click this link here. It'll take you to the document. Connecting to Facebook here, it'll take you to the document. And then you can see all the different autoresponders that you can integrate. And you can just click on the document and it'll take you exactly to the page to show you how to get things set up. So I'm not too tech savvy, guys. If this is something that you feel you're not capable of doing yourself, trust me, with all of the information that's provided here with these shortcuts, you'll be able to get it done with no problem whatsoever. Now, let me just show you. This is one of the documents that shows the installing and license plugin. So once you get everything downloaded, you'll be able to see exactly, again, with these documents and with the help that they've put together for you, exactly how to install the plugin onto your website and how to get things rocking and rolling. So you'll be able to get your license key, and then from there you can just plug that in and get going. The next thing that you will not find on the article that I wrote, which is why I definitely wanted to put this video out, is this Facebook app creation, which is very important. Without this, it's pretty much not gonna work out for you as far as the sharing portion of it. So you want to go ahead and make sure you do the Facebook setup process as well. Don't get intimidated, guys. This is a very simple process to follow with these Google Docs that they've created for you. Now, it goes step by step. First thing you want to do is log into the Facebook account, go to the developers page, and from there, it'll show you again how to create the app that will allow you to share your content with others and make sure that it goes viral once you start putting things out there. And if you're not tech savvy, don't worry about it, because like I said earlier, these PDF documents or Google Docs that they've created will definitely show you, as you can see, step by step how to get everything set up. And I was able to do this relatively quickly when I got it set up for my website and get it going. So again, guys, don't get intimidated and scared about setting this thing up. This is going to walk you through it step by step, as you can see, on exactly how to go ahead and get everything set up. So with this video, I wanted to just share with you guys what you're going to receive so that you don't feel intimidated as if you're left in the dark. You can see there's arrows pointing to everything, so that as you're going through this, you're able to see what you're doing and make sure that you're setting it up correctly. Now you see this particular page where it has the license key, autoresponder, and the Facebook settings. Once you're done with the Facebook setup that we're on right now, you'll be able to get the Facebook app ID as well as the app secret. So you'll be able to input those two things on your website and you'll be good to go. Let me show you guys. Boom, on the website now. So you can see here on the left side, viral traffic boost, the campaign, the settings. If I click on the campaign, obviously it'll take me into the campaigns here. But if I go back to the settings, this is where you guys would want to be before you ever go into the campaign, so that you can make sure you have everything set up. License key is already inputted. Autoresponder that I'm using is Sendio. You can see there's a green check right there. And you can see all the other autoresponders that are available to you. And the Facebook settings have already been done, so everything's good to go. So if you guys have any questions on how to set that up, like I said, there's the PDFs or the Google Docs that'll show you everything step by step, from installing and getting the licensing and the plugin set up onto your WordPress site. And then the next thing you want to look at is obviously the Facebook setup, so that way you can get everything created and make sure that it's working correctly for you. If there's questions that you have, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'm here to make sure that this app isn't something that intimidates you. Like I said, I'm not very tech savvy myself, but I was able to get it going. Got it set up on my website. Everything is rocking and rolling. If you guys have questions, I'm here for you. But let's go ahead and start building our business. Let's build our email list so that way we can start making more money while we sleep from the comforts of our home, and continue to share this information with other people and make sure that everybody has the opportunity to do the same for themselves and do the same for their family. Again, check out Viral Traffic Boost here. Feel free to leave any questions. I'll be more than happy to assist you with anything that you have questions on. And till the next video, hope you guys stay safe, stay productive, and we'll talk soon. Peace. You're familiar.